Hey everybody, it's Jen, Scrapina Creations. I hope you guys are doing well. I am mostly doing well with a little bit of a brutal sickness cold going on, but I just came back from 2 weeks in sunny Florida and the weather was the best it has been since the fall. It was so hot. I loved it, but I did end up getting sick the couple days before I left, and then it's kind of hit me really hard since I've been home. So I've been either in bed or on the couch. But I really wanted to do this video, but you're gonna get me with my fuzzy house coat on. My hands are getting a bit better, but I just find I'm so dehydrated and I feel like my hands look like I'm 60 years old. But anyways, we're gonna do this haul video. The girls are up here playing behind me, so you may hear the cats in the background. I'm going to try not to cough. We'll see. Hopefully this isn't a hot mess video, but I do have lots of things that have come in since I've been away. I actually haven't done a video in about 2.5 weeks, so I feel a little rusty, and of course with vacation brain and then sick brain, not quite sure how this is going to roll out, but we'll see. So something was going on with the mail in Canada since about Christmas, and so this is my design team package for February, and Jamie had sent this to me early knowing that I was going to be gone for a couple weeks so that I could pre-do some cards and get stuff scheduled. And I waited about 3 weeks and it still hadn't come by the time I went away, which is really weird because I usually get stuff from Jamie in a week, which is amazing to get it that quickly here in Canada. So I am a little behind. I'm going to try to get caught up. She made this adorable envelope tag. I love these little guys. Her coloring on this narwhal is just absolutely amazing. And it says Happy Valentine's Day. So sweet. This little envelope is absolutely beautiful. She's so talented. So this was the design team stamp that I picked out for this month. It's called Perfect Birthday by Sunny Studios. And what killed me was the cat cake and the cat balloon and the little kitty cat in a onesie. I could not pass this card up. Not card. I could not pass this stamp set up. So I'm looking forward to creating with that. And then Jamie also sent me, as a free little gift this month, this stamp set from My Favorite Things called For Owl You Do, which is absolutely adorable, and she does have a bunch of these in stock. So if you like owls and you want to create along with me, I'll try to make a couple cards with this stamp set. And I really like the sentiments. Woohoo, I'm so happy for you. Why, thank you. These are just really great kind of friend cards, and what I like about this is it's whimsical, but it's not I guess too cutesy or too young. So I feel like this would be a good card that I could send like to my mother-in-law or something like that. So thanks, Jamie. That's great. So that's my February design team. And I also, with this, I placed an order for my Doodlebug. So Jamie had the little Pop-Tart toaster Doodle Pop as a free with purchase. And I picked up, of course, the paper pad, which I'm sure you've all seen. Jamie does have these back in stock. They were sold out almost immediately. But she has them back. I'm gonna try to do a 10 card video, so that should be fun. I'm gonna try to make them kind of more everyday cards, not Valentine's themed, because Valentine's Day is over, but I think this isn't necessarily a Valentine's Day, even though some of the things, like I noticed, like that's kind of very Valentine's-y. And then the cut apart page, this one here, the back of it is Happy Valentine's Day to and from. So, I mean, you can still use these without the back, which will be great. So get your stuff out, get ready if you want to do some So Penny stuff. I picked up the Chit Chat and the Odds and Ends for that collection. So Jamie does have these in stock as well. I love that they've come out with these Chit Chats. I think that's going to be really fun. And there's so many different adorable images. I cannot wait to play with this. The last thing I got in that order was this Pink and Main paper pad. This is my first paper pad by them. This one's My Heart. And even though I think it came out with their Valentine's Day collection, I loved the colors in this. I thought that this paper pad would be great for birthday cards, and that's sort of what I need to focus on. Love that plaid. For the right now, I don't have a lot of birthday cards in my stash, so I was thinking I would be inspired by these colors with this stamp set. So we'll see how that goes, but it would also be, those colors would also be really great for this owl stamp set as well. So then I was in Florida. I really didn't buy that much stuff crafty. I went up with a YouTube viewer, Connie, and her friend, and we went shopping at Whimsidoodle. They were having a clear out, and so they didn't have any of their new stuff in, but I was able to get this sweet Stamp Shop stamp, hot glue it's called. This was on clearance for $4, and I just thought it would make some cute cards. This is an older collection from Amy Tangerine, but it was $1, so I got that. And then while I was away, I also picked up, I was not able to find the W9 and the C9 in Canada, so I picked these up while I was away. If any of you are Canadian viewers and get your Copic markers in Canada, if you could let me know where you get them besides Michaels, because Michaels doesn't carry the 9s. They don't carry a lot of the colors, then I would really appreciate that. So I got that, and then I took advantage of some of the releases and not having to pay shipping while I was visiting my parents in the US. So while I was there, Jamie had the My Favorite Things release, and I really hadn't been purchasing a lot lately, but I loved this release, and I did some major damage, as you can see. So I'll put those to the side. So this is the Pet Purchase, which is just a die set, but it actually cuts it out so you can put a pet in the bed, which I loved. So I picked that up. This is the new gift card window and frame, and the replenishments fit in there, so you can put a gift card right on your card, and you can use the rip strips on the back so that the recipient can get the gift card out without ruining the front of the card. So I got those, and then I got the gift card greetings, and I love this stamp set. It doesn't necessarily have to go with a gift card. So for me, I often make cards for my staff, and I love this. Your hard work has not gone unnoticed. So you don't even necessarily have to give a gift card, but just to say, you know, thanks for what you do is great. But obviously, some of these are really great for, like, I love this Feed Yourself, and you could give like a grocery gift card or a restaurant gift card. Thanks for doing that thing you did. I mean, that's another great one that I can use for my staff at work. Thank you for going above and beyond. Again, really great. And then the Spoil Yourself, It's on Me. I really like that one too. So loving that stamp set. This was the Free with 60 from Jamie, the Wish die. So I'm excited to play around with that. I love how it's got the candle for the eye. I also picked up the Big Birthday die, and I think that'll be really fun as a focal point on cards. And then I picked up the Birthday Chicks by Bertie Brown. So stinking cute. Again, the sentiments, happy birthday to my favorite chick. to the birthday chick. I just thought these would be really great for girlfriend birthday cards. So that was that from Jamie's shop. And don't forget, you can use my coupon code JEN10 to save 10% off all your purchases. Then 2 days later, I got a notice that MFT was having a 30% off site-wide sale for Valentine's Day. And their shipping to Canada is usually $20. So by doing the order, I was able to save $20. And I love this little card. It's my first time actually ordering straight from them. And this little card in here says, "It turns out money can buy happiness. Your goodies are here and it's time to get crafty." That is so adorable. So this was their free with, I think theirs is a free with 60 as well. Yeah, free with 60. So it doesn't actually have a name, but it's a banner die, which is really great. I think this can be useful. So these are from older releases, but what I wanted to do was to buy some more staple kind of die sets so that I could kind of change up my card designs. I felt like I was doing the same kind of design over and over. So you'll see what I mean here in a second. But I did pick up, this is from, I believe, their January release, the mini well-connected alphabets and numbers. I love this. It's so pretty. So I'm really excited to play with this stamp set as well. And the reason I really wanted to do this order was I really wanted this Blueprints tag builder. This is number 5. I've wanted this forever. And I'm thinking what I might do for one of my projects a month for Not Too Shabby, I might do a tag every month and build up kind of my stash of tags that way. But the number of pieces you get in this is unreal. So I've wanted this forever. I've been using my other Blueprints die all the time. You guys see me use it all the time. So this is kind of the next one that I wanted. And then I ordered the stitched basic edges. So these just allow you to kind of have different edges on your cards, and I thought that this would just kind of maybe spruce up and give me some creativity, inspiration in terms of new card designs. And then these ones are the basic stitched lines. So, you can just finish off certain elements on your card with different stitching. And so I thought that was really great, and it was really inexpensive as well. And then I don't have any oval dies, and I've been wanting some oval dies forever, so I did pick up the stitched oval dies while the sale was going on, and so that brought me up to have free shipping, which was great. So that's my haul. Thanks for sticking around this long, and now I hope I can just get enough energy and creativity to create for you guys. So I hope to see you in a video shortly. Take care, everybody, and have a great day. Bye.